After ko. Ayun yung aabangan niyo po.
Surprise talaga.
Hindi ako makapagsalita eh. Gusto ko magsalita ng madami pero abangan na lang po natin yun. Malayo sa mga karakter ko. Yun po.
Okay, JC, do cheaters deserve a second chance, yes or no?
No.
Oh.
Kasi mauulit yun eh. Magagawa pa rin niya. Kung nagawa niya na nung una, pwedeng maulit ulit yun.
Okay. From JC Alcantara, no. Okay, ito naman, Khalil Ramos.
Hello, hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello.
Hello.
I am Khalil, and I play the role of Jude here in the film, the cheating husband. Do cheaters deserve a second chance? There's a long answer and there's a short answer. I'll say the short answer. I believe no. Simply because I think it is impossible to restore the relationship after breaking the trust and the respect. Yun lang.
Agree. Thank you so much, Khalil. Okay, from the ladies now. Okay, go Mikey.
Gusto ko mag-last. Ano ba?
Ay naku, maraming sasabihin yan, Dagor.
Okay. Hi po. Unang-una, I want to say thank you sa ating press for giving the time to come here today. And I'm so excited for you guys to watch the movie. Sa totoo lang. This is my very first. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Keith. Thank you, Sir Riga. Thank you, Sparkle, for making this happen. I play Beth here. Part ng 1 of 5 ng Barkada. And to answer the question, deserve ba ng mga cheaters ng second chance? Okay, full transparency. I used to believe na wala naman talaga kasing perfect. So, I used to believe na pwede, okay lang yun. And the important thing is the why. Yung sagot sa kung bakit nagawa. But now I agree with Khalil. No. Because giving a chance to a cheater is not... Yung chance hindi para dun sa cheater eh. Yung compromise, mas nasa'yo. So, yeah. No more! That's the answer. No more.
Palakpakan po natin, Mikey Quintos. Love it, empowered. Yes.
Ako na.
Okay, go Sasa girl.
Kala ko magiging podcast eh. Diyos ko, nakakaloka. Itag nyo na lang tag nyo na lang.
To be completely transparent.
Hi, my name is Sasa Girl. Sa totoong buhay, mahiyain ako pero ngayon, I'm playing Marta, ang pinakalutang ninyong tropa. So, to answer the question, do cheaters deserve a second chance? Kung si JC, oo. Ayun! Napakarupong! Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Diba? Alam mo, ang lala na naging relationship namin. Relationship? Ayun na, nag-iba rin kwento. Hindi, wala lang. I mean, in honesty, hindi talaga. Ayun, it's a no for me. Pero kung si JC nga, ewan ko, mapapaisip ako dyan. Thank you, yun lamang po.
Thank you so much, Sasa girl. Okay, next up, go Mika.
Hello po, magandang hapon po. Ako po si Mika Salamanca and I play the character Jewel. Very sensual. Yun lang po ang aking masasabi muna. Ang sagot ko po sa tanong is no. No talaga. Kasi, ewan ko, pagka kasi nachitan ka na, may lamat na eh. Totoo yung sinabi ni Kuya Khalil, hindi mo na mababalik yung tiwala. And magsasuffer lang yung relationship nyo. So, it's a big no.
Yes, thank you so much, Mika Salamanca. Okay, AC, go.
Good afternoon po. Hello po everybody. I'm AC Bonifacio and I play Ingrid here, your conservative friend who loves to protect you but will also be there for you through all of it. To answer the question, I think it's simple. I think we've all been on the same page, but no, they obviously don't deserve a second chance. But at the same time, why would you even allow yourself to be with a person who could cheat on you? I think it's more of on yourself and like, do you deserve another person who could do that to you type of thing. But yeah, yun ba. Okay.
Let's give it up for AC Bonifacio. Thank you so much. And of course, ito na, si Cherry.
Yes,
Go,
Yana.
Barbie.
Thank you. Thank you. Una po sa lahat, ngayon pa lang ay nagpapasalamat na po ako dahil yung mga telepono nyo yan, alam kong mamaya, bukas, ilalabas nyo na yan para tulungan kaming i-promote ang aming pelikula. So, from the bottom of my heart, really, thank you all so much. Your presence is the best present today. Thank you, thank you. I am Barbie Forteza. I play the role of Cherry. Can I say, bakit po Saving Cherry ang title? Okay. Ang role ko po dito, I am the wildest virgin you will ever see. And you will find out why. And do cheaters deserve a second chance? Fuck no. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Barbie Forteza with the F, Riba. Wait, but before everything else, we also want to greet Barbie a happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ate!
Salamat po.
Happy
Thank you.
birthday,
Thank
Barbie!
you.
We are so happy to celebrate your birthday with you today. Okay, so we're not only celebrating Barbie's birthday, we are also celebrating, of course, Saving Cherry. Congratulations to all of you. Okay, ito naman, syempre, we have some questions here for you guys. Let's start things off with Barbie. Okay, Barbie, how is Cherry different from all of the characters that you've played in the past? And how did you approach preparing to bring Cherry to life?
How is Cherry different? She is the wildest woman I've ever portrayed. To date. Wow, may susunod. To date. May mas wild pa. No, yun. Siya yung wildest and most freeing, I think, for me. And lahat yon pinagpapasalamat ko kay Direk Ivan. Kasi not just yung role, pero yung freedom of approaching every scene. Binigyan niya kaming lahat ng buong laya as to how we understood every scene. Nakinig siya sa amin. He is a really good captain. And we all thank you. Thank you so much. And also to Regal, comeback ko po ito sa Regal. So thank you again. Maraming salamat po. Yun.
Thank you so much, Barbie.
Thank you. Ay, how did I prepare?
How did you prepare for
How
Cherry?
did I prepare? In-unleash ko lang yung wild side ko. Wow!
Yes.
Rar! Yeah. yun lang. Actually, ang saya. Kasi, aminin naman natin, hindi naman lahat, pag mabait, di ba? So, hindi ko rin akalain na may ganun din akong side. Wild pero, may dahilan, may lalim, and most of all, I think, so far, ito yung most mature role ko because we will tackle about marriage eh. Ito yung role ko na kasal na ako agad-agad, umpisa pa lang. So, ito rin yun. So, marami ho talagang pagdadaanan ng pelikula namin and we would all love for all of you to join us in this journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Barbie. We are so excited to see yung role mo as Cherry. And ito naman, sa Barkada, of course, for Mika, AC, Sasa, and Mikey. Okay, syempre alam naman natin na medyo mahirap minsan to have chemistry as a Barkada. So we have to know, what was your approach to building your on-screen sisterhood?
Ayan na!
Ayan na!
Okay, kasi ganito yun. Ito ang podcast.
Totoong podcast. Okay, go.
Actually, hindi day one eh.
After ng look test.
Look test.
Oo.
Kami, nagkakahiyaan.
Yes,
Oo.
as in like during the look test, you could tell na talagang awkward kami.
Awkward kami!
It was like dance together, ad-lib, and we couldn't do
Wala.
Oo.
Oo.
Yeah.
Idea ni Barbie na magkita-kita kami. Ng isa